What if I told you there's a way to invest your money without needing a financial advisor or deep knowledge of the stock market? There is a world where you can effortlessly diversify your portfolio, gain exposure to global markets, and even invest in alternative assets like real estate and cryptocurrency. Hook. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving into Wealthsimple, a platform that's revolutionizing the way people invest. What is Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a Canadian financial technology company that offers a suite of investment products and services. At its core, Wealthsimple provides automated investment portfolios, commonly known as robo-advisors. How does Wealthsimple work? It's pretty straightforward. When you sign up for Wealthsimple, you'll be asked a series of questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Based on your answers, Wealthsimple's algorithm will create a personalized investment portfolio that aligns with your needs. Investment options. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. What can you actually invest in with Wealthsimple? ETF portfolios. These are the bread and butter of Wealthsimple's offerings. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are baskets of securities that track a specific index or asset class. Wealthsimple offers a variety of ETF portfolios, including Global Equity, invests in a broad range of stocks from around the world. North American Equity, focuses on stocks listed in North America. Emerging Markets Equity, provides exposure to developing economies. Fixed Income, invests in bonds and other debt securities. Balanced, combines stocks and bonds for a mix of growth and stability. Thematic portfolios. If you're interested in investing in specific themes or trends, Wealthsimple offers thematic portfolios that focus on sectors like technology, healthcare, and clean energy. Cryptocurrency. Wealthsimple Crypto allows you to invest in a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Real estate. Through Wealthsimple Real Estate, you can invest in fractional shares of real estate properties, providing you with exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of owning a property outright. Benefits of investing with Wealthsimple. Accessibility. Wealthsimple makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level or the size of your investment. Affordability. Wealthsimple's fees are significantly lower than traditional investment firms, making it a more cost-effective option. Diversification. By investing in ETF portfolios, you can easily diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. Automation. Wealthsimple's automated investment process takes the guesswork out of investing, allowing you to focus on your financial goals. Customization. While Wealthsimple offers pre-built portfolios, you can also customize your investments to suit your specific preferences. Is Wealthsimple right for you? Wealthsimple is a great option for investors who are looking for a low-cost, automated way to invest. However, it's important to consider your individual financial situation and goals before making a decision. If you're comfortable with taking on more risk and actively managing your investments, a traditional brokerage firm might be a better fit. Conclusion. Wealthsimple offers a wide range of investment options, making it a versatile platform for investors of all levels. Whether you're looking to build a long-term retirement portfolio or simply invest for the short term, Wealthsimple can help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.